it's me, NYSE Einstein for the Flowers of New York Stock Exchange. Wednesday, hump day. I think it's June 21st. I don't know. We're in sort of this muck and mire of a world. Terrorist attacks on a daily basis. Saudi Arabian princes dumping their nephews for their sons. Stabbings here, blowing up there. People deciding that filling a van with explosives is a good idea. I'm really not clear what people are thinking. But I'm here to talk to you about what goes on here at the NYSE. Not a lot of this political nonsense. Today, we finally saw the market start to engage the oil trade again. Is this a turn of events? I don't really think so. I don't think the market wanted to engage anything else. Last week, inventories were down, oil rallied. No, the other way around. Inventories were up, market sold off. It kind of stayed that way. Oil's been off for a while, but the market has not engaged it. Oil is getting eviscerated. It's getting pummeled. It's at 2017 lows, and it has not really affected the S&P a little bit. NASDAQ sort of stabilized a little bit. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is one of the things I watch, a lot of people don't watch it, is affected in a big way. Anyway. Today, inventories came out. They were down. The market rallied, nice little pop. Market reversed, oil reversed, popped from up 20 cents to up 60 cents. Was not able to sustain it. We thought it was going to start to be churn and burn. Market had opened up a little bit on the weak side. It's just profit taking. Market's up 21,500. You don't know what's going to happen. Every day seems to be, what is the next disaster? What's going to happen? Inside Verstoff, I love you. It was not able to sustain it. The market quickly did a bit of a gyration up and down, and then sold off and got super, super weak, right? It bottomed out midday. Oil took it down significantly. Oil was down over $1 at one point, right? And it took the market with it, okay? There was a little bit of a bounce near the end of the day, but oil seems to be the trade of the day, okay? People are getting hurt there. That NASDAQ trade, which is not a bubble, but was a solid sell-off last week, has stabilized, okay? That's not taking this market down. Yes, you are seeing small negative numbers in Facebook and Netflix and in Amazon, in Apple. It's not affecting this market. It's selling off a little bit, forming a little bit of weakness on the S&P. But net at the end of the day, no matter what, at these levels, we're still at 21.5 in the Dow. S&P seems solid, and oil was the name of the game today. It's weak, okay? It is fracking, it is high production in the U.S., low demand, it is whatever's you got Libya, you've got Nigeria producing more oil than necessary in our book, and you've got Saudis who have not cut production. So net at the end of the day, the oil trade was in. It did force a little bit of weakness in the market. It did firm up around 42.5 level. I don't know if that game is over. But for today, Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down around 50 points. Not significant. Volume is 900 million. We're coming into the largest day of the year, the Russell rebalance. It's going to be huge. I've heard as big as $23 billion worth of stock is going to change hands. So look forward to it. I'll stay with it. Stick with me. NYSE Einstein. Loving you all. Later, guys.